This is my Nigerian Euromastix. His name is Hank. He's a big old boy. He's a grumpy boy too in the mornings. See if I can open it up and pet him. Hanky boy, what you doing? Hanky. Hanky. Oh, you're okay. Come here. Come here. Oh, quit. No, you don't want nothing to do with me today. Where'd you go, buddy? Are you in here? He stole that paper from me and keeps it in his house. I have no idea why, and I'm not sure where he went. Nope, he's not in here. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. He's just chilling. Maybe you guys can see him, I'm not sure.